students, I am Akhil Srivastava. Today I will teach you exercise 8.4 of trigonometry class 10. Question number 5, third part. What I have told you. So first of all, you will write down LHS of this. What is given here? Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta. Cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta into cosec theta. You want sec and secant cosec you will get by sin and cos. So first you change all the trigonometric ratios given in the form of tan and sin and cos. Tan theta upon 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta upon 1 minus tan theta. You change into sin upon cos. What you can write here, sin theta upon cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta cot theta upon 1 minus sin theta upon cos theta. So in denominator you take LCM. Sin theta upon cos theta you can write in slant line. Denominator you take the LCM. What will you get? Sin theta, and here sin theta minus cos theta plus numerator you write in the slant line slightly, then it will be easy to write. Denominator you take the cos theta as a LCM, so you get cos theta minus sin theta. Now this will be sin theta upon cos theta into this sin theta will go rule of fraction. We'll know the rule of fraction, sin theta minus cos theta. You are getting plus cos theta upon sin theta you can write cos theta upon sin theta, rule of fraction, this will be in the numerator, upon cos theta minus sin theta. We'll write. Then here sin and sin will give you the sin square theta upon cos theta bracket sin theta minus cos theta plus cos into cos will be cos square theta upon sin theta into cos theta minus sin theta. Now what will you do? Take the LCM of denominator, sin theta into cos theta and sin theta minus cos theta. I am taking, both are the same bracket. What is change? Here sin minus cos, here cos minus sin. So when you take minus common here, it will be cos go that side and sin will come. So here sin square theta, when you divide this denominator, divide the LCM, then cos cancel, this bracket cancel, what will be there? Sin. So sin into sin square theta gives you sin cube theta. Here what will you get? Cos square theta, denominator you divide, sin cancel by sin, cos minus sin, divide the sin minus cos, you get a minus. Minus sin you take common, then here sin minus cos. Then this sin and cos and cos cancel here, sin and sin cancel, cos will multiply here and you will get here cos cube theta. It is very important point. How will you divide? Sin minus theta you have taken common, cos minus theta is here, it will be sin minus theta when minus is common. This minus will be at the place of plus. Sin cancel, cos into cos square gives you cos cube theta. Now you apply the rule of identity. What is? A cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b in one bracket, a square plus ab plus b square. This is the factor of a cube minus b cube. So apply this rule. You are getting sin theta is a, cos theta is b, one bracket, sin theta minus cos theta, another bracket sin square theta plus sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. Cos square theta. You will get sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta. It is by this identity. Divide by what is the denominator given? Sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta. Sin theta minus cos theta. This you are getting. So this bracket will be cancelled by this bracket. You are getting sin square theta plus cos square theta. Identity I have told you, plus sin theta cos theta. It is in the numerator left and denominator is sin theta cos theta. What will you write at the place of this? It is 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1 by identity plus sin theta into cos theta. Denominator as it is you write down. Now apply the rule of fraction. Here you have taken bracket LCM. Then this you can write this upon this separately, this upon this. Here also you write these two separate. Separate it. Separate it means what will you write? Equal to 1 upon sin theta into cos theta at this place plus sin theta into cos theta upon sin theta. There is a two term. Here two terms are there. One term is 1, one is sin theta into cos theta. So 1 upon this and this upon this you can write. 1 upon sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta into cos theta. You can write 1 upon sin theta into 1 upon cos theta. 1 you can write 1 into 1. Plus this will be cancelled, you are getting 1. It is called cosec theta into sec theta plus 1. This you can write in the order what is given here. 1 plus cos sec theta into cosec theta you can write. If you want, then a plus b you can write b plus a. It is your RHS. What is this? Hence proved. You are seeing it is RHS. Very simple question. How are you solving? Sin cos LCM. Here you are taking LCM. Why here my plus sign change into minus? Because of sin minus cos. Here cos minus sin. Then a cube minus b cube. How will you factorize by the identity? And then like this you are getting the question number 1. This part RHS. Separate it. You are getting this. Now fourth part you see. Fourth part of this. Very simple. Fourth part. In the fourth part it is given 1 plus sec a upon sec a. 1 plus sec a upon sec a is equal to sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. It is very easy. You can solve from one side, you can solve by both the sides. LHS you take 1 plus sec a upon sec a. Change into 1 plus 1 upon cos a upon 1 upon cos a. Then LCM in the numerator, you will get a cos a plus 1 upon 1 upon cos a. So this cos and cos cancel, your answer is 1 plus cos a. It is the LHS. You can solve RHS also. RHS sin square a upon 1 minus cos a. So you want cos, so sin you change into cos. By the identity you can write 1 minus cos square a. Because sin square a plus cos square a is 1. So cos square a you write 1 minus sin square a, or sin square a barabar is equal to 1 minus cos a. How will you get? 1 minus cos square a means 1 square minus cos square a upon 1 minus cos a. Factorize by identity 1 a plus b, a minus b, 1 plus cos a in one bracket, 1 minus cos a in another bracket. and here also 1 minus cos A. This bracket is cancelled, and you are also getting here same what is the LHS. Here you are getting RHS. So both LHS and RHS are equal. So this is also equal. At last you will write therefore 1 plus sec A upon sec A is equal to sine square A. At last all the proof questions you write this, otherwise you will not get the full marks in board examination. Hence it is proved. So you are seeing this, it is a very simple and easy question. Another very important part in the next lecture I will tell you, fifth part and fourth part. That's all for today. Thank you.